Let's turn to pro trader Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. And Joe, traders like to stay ahead of what's happening in the market, but what are you seeing in market action as traders brace for the possibility of higher interest rates ahead from the Fed?
Yeah, that's something fascinating to see. Of course, all week long we've been getting interesting Fed speak. The bond markets have been acting really strongly. We've seen the 2-year kind of staying flat, but the 10-year actually coming in, which is interesting. Hawkish comments, but yet the yields are coming in. So that's maybe the market getting ahead of the Fed, saying they might be talking tough, but they're still going to say rates are going to stay low in spite of the fact they might stop their bond purchases program. So that's a very interesting part of the market. Also, interesting part of the market, we have this market, all major indices, with notable exception of the Russell, are very close to all-time highs. Yet the VIX is above its 50-day moving average. Now, there's two possible scenarios. The people who look at the market straightforward might say, well, the VIX is too high. The market has to come in. And as soon as we get some complacency in the market, then the market might peak. Or the contrarian might say, well, actually, we start to see some sell-offs when the market goes up and the VIX goes up. That's a sign of caution. So we really have to see how this plays out. Interest rates are going to tell the story for me. And every time we get this yield curve getting really flat, that's a really tricky spot for the banks and a really tricky spot for the economy.
Thank you, Joe. We will be watching.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.